$1.52. Costs are $192 for a total due of $1,823.52. We'd ask for a default possession only judgment with writ to issue after 10 days. Your Honor, just so the court is aware, one of the caseworkers from Hawk did reach out yesterday while I was out of the office, indicating that they are assisting, well, they requested documentation to assess Mr. Moore for potential funding, and I am in touch with Sile Farms to gather that documentation and to send over to them.
Okay, that happened yesterday?
It did happen yesterday.
Okay, and that's not on my spreadsheet either. Okay, all right. Well, judgment to the plaintiff, that's by default for possession, redemption amount, in the amount requested, writ to issue 10 days. Okay, Sile Farms versus Stephanie Vogel. And Corey Vogel.
Oh, thank you. I wanted to make sure for it.
What? Oh,
Before I approached, because you just said her name first, I was like, I didn't want to just walk up here.
I called the important one.
Right, for sure.
Just along for the ride. All right.
All right.
All right. Where are we in this case?
Okay, so we called Hawk, as previously known, and we didn't get approved for that. So after we left here last time, we were calling the MAP program. The issue with that is they said they only hand out like a set amount of them a month. So by the time we got out of the last court hearing and we called them, they said that they had already handed out like the maximum for the month. So they told us we could come back on the 1st and get it. So I'm actually like requesting that as long as we pay May's rent, so we stay under that $2,000, if we can apply again through MAP. So we stay under 1,000. Yeah. So we can stay eligible for the MAP program.
So the balance at present, Your Honor, is $1,895.79. There was a payment made of $280 earlier this week, or might have been on, I'm not sure if they dropped it off on Friday or on Monday, but in any event, they did make the $200+ payment that they had promised, but I don't have authority to adjourn it into May while we wait to see if they qualify for that program, unfortunately.
How much is their monthly rent?
It is $9.15 plus they have a $10 pet fee, and then water sewer based on usage, which looks to be 110, 120-ish, sometimes a little higher or lower per month.
Your Honor, we're also waiting on DHS to make their payment.
To make
their payment.
I did forget about that. Thank you, Ms. Vogel, for the update on that. I believe DHS did approve a payment of, what was it, $581.70, I believe, is what DHS approved. And so their payment of the $280 would cover portion DHS said they were responsible for. It'd just be a matter of DHS releasing the $581.70 at this point.
What if we could pay May's rent by like next?
Okay, hold on.
Okay, sorry.
Trying to figure out how to get. I don't have any. When did you guys call Hawk?
The same day we got out of court.
I don't. There's.
I have the paper where they sent me a file.
I don't have anything on that. Okay, that's not anything having to do with you guys. You guys are good. Okay, all right. That's just more my frustration with people messing with the system.
All right,
it's okay. I usually crush those people when I get a chance. Did I say that out loud? Okay.
I heard nothing.
There you go. All right. So did you give me a number that their rent would be?
So $915, $925 plus approximately, let's just say 120. That's probably their average water sewer usage ish. So 925 plus 120, 1,045.
So if they're at 1895 plus 1,045, roughly speaking, I would be at 2940. All right. And so but then I take off that about 580 that DHS is going to pay once everything's paid.
I paid everything, so they should release the funds.
Pardon?
I paid what DHS expected, so they should be releasing the funds.
Okay.
They said I had to pay like 1780 in order for them to release their portion, the 5 something.
Got it. So they weren't expecting a zero.
I think DHS, Your Honor, probably based their decision off of maybe the summons and complaint versus the current balance. And so their tenant portion didn't necessarily cover the current balance due, but that's what I was trying to probably ineloquently explain to the court is that Ms. Vogel, between her 2 payments, did pay the amount that what DHS recorded as the tenant portion based on their review.
It had at the time.
Yeah.
And so the only thing is that then DHS, you're right, they should release it without you being at a zero. But if I look at this and okay, so I'm still going to be short, which is what the problem's going to be. Can you give me 2940 minus 581?
$3.15.
Okay. So you can probably see what I'm doing. I'm factoring in your
Next month.
May rent, looking at everything that's going to be paid, and what gets you to where you're at the 2,000 come May 1. And based upon the numbers that I'm running, I'm about 350 short. Okay.
Mhm.
So my question is, I don't have a problem because you went through that process trying to get you to May if the 350 can be paid, so that then I just have a balance of
And we have till Wednesday.
Pardon?
We have till Wednesday to pay that 350.
Oh, yeah. So you think you can get that paid next week?
I'll pay
Yeah.
500 next week,
Yeah.
Wednesday.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's easy. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjourn it out 1 week to make sure that payment's done. Okay, so you're going to pay, I'll just say between 350 to 5. Okay. Pay that. And then if that's done, then what I'm going to do is I will do the adjournment to May. And see, the May date is going to be May 1. So it's the 8th.
Yeah, because of the bench bar.
Oh, I'm not here on the 1st?
No.
Yay.
Forgot about or something?
That wasn't a vacation. She was reminding them of something important.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I am. That's
Not in this room.
all right, May.
Okay.
So what we would be doing is doing that.
4th.
Then you could do, theoretically, I'm not going to adjourn it at this point to that point.
Right.
But theoretically, what you'd be able to do then is get the application in May 1st.
Mhm.
Then we hopefully can maybe have an answer by the 8th and get you guys to ground zero. And be-
Yeah, they said to call first thing in the morning on the 1st, and they said it shouldn't have a problem proved. They just, I guess, only let out a limited amount of them because of the income bracket.
Exactly. Exactly. All right.
And since we were so late in the month after the last hearing, they already used them all up.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you guys will be all set, and then we'll see you next week at what time? 1 p.m.
Okay.
And that's basically, I'm really just checking,
To make
make sure
sure
that
held up.
been done. and our numbers will relatively match up, and then get you in the mix.
All right, thank you.
And I'll do that over plaintiff's objection to the extent they have an objection, but
Thank
I
you.
don't think they shouldn't have, because
We're really trying.
Yeah, we are
work
trying.
math with me. All right. Okay, folks, okay?
All right.
Have a great weekend.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Case.
Oh. Okay. Let me recall the case of Silent Farms versus Michael Moore.
Is Mr. Moore, oh, there we go. Okay.
Sorry, I was running a little bit late this morning.
You're running late and here last time, so okay. You defaulted your balance currently is 1823.52.
Yeah, I talked to Autumn at Hawk on Wednesday, and she's pretty confident that they're gonna be able to help me. I sent the rest of the paperwork that I needed to send her, and she said she was
How
gonna
do I not
contact the
know
court.
that from looking at this sheet?
She said that she was gonna contact you guys, but it was just the day before yesterday.
No, it's not, that's not your fault. They send us a sheet to tell us. If you weren't here telling me this, I would have no way of knowing.
She did say to make sure that I came and told
Oh, I know, but
money or not.
they can't work that way because, okay. So I'm not going to enter the judgment. You sent in all your paperwork.
Yeah, I'm just waiting to hear back from her.
I'll adjourn it. I'm going to adjourn this case out 1 week,
Okay,
24th, 2026, 1 p.m. Be on time this time.
okay,
Okay.
all right,
And I'm going to adjourn it out.
okay, thank you.
So put on that. I ended up issuing a judgment against somebody that was in the middle of the process. It's crazy. Arbor Woods versus Sanaja Thomas. And no, just stuff. I said the name right. I did. Hello. What's your name?
My name's Sanija. And I'm mom, Tanjanika.
You're her mom? I wouldn't be able to tell by looking at him, would you? All right. Yes, you do favor each other. All right. So what is owed here?
$3,282.22. I know there was a indication of a plan to pay $1,700 today, but I don't know if that got in before the ladies appeared for court.
Right. Okay. What happened?
Get in. I've been in the hospital with my daughter, so my check was really low. I didn't know my daughter had a baby and she had complications. I have another daughter, and we just got out, and I'm tired, but I was just trying to see if I can wait till Wednesday. I could pay like almost 15 Wednesday. Could. And okay.
So grandmother, blame it on the baby.
I'm not blaming it on the baby.
No, I'm
sorry.
I'm just messing with.
Sorry.
All right. How's mom and baby doing?
They better. They at home.
Okay.
God, yes.
That's the important thing,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Okay. So you think can't do the 17 because you were there doing.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Somebody.
All right, but you think you can pay 15 by
On Wednesday. Yeah.
on Wednesday? All right. And then what's the plan for how you're going to get the rest of?
I'm gonna call DHS. I'm talking for my daughter because I'm trying to help her out. But I'm gonna call DHS. Put in because we put in for one a while back, but I ended up paying that, and they told me I had to do another one. But by me being in the hospital, I wasn't really able to do it.
Are you working?
Yes, I'm working.
Have you gone over to Hawk?
I called for her. They said we make too much.
All right. So here's what I'll do. I'll adjourn this to April 24th, 2026 at 1. You're to pay the $1,500. You need to make sure that's paid on Wednesday, the 22nd.
Okay.
All right. Then I want you to call Ms. Dornbush's office, see whether or not you can work out some agreement for the payment of that balance.
Yes, sir.
All right, because you're getting kind of close to May.
Yes.
So we gotta
Yeah.
try to do it. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.